In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON PD156 PRO Tablet. The GAOMON PD156 PRO is a 15.6-inch IPS Full HD graphics tablet display designed for digital artists, featuring an impressive screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a color gamut of 88% NTSC. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and support for a 60-degree tilt, the included battery-free pen allows for precise detail in artwork without the need for charging. The device comes equipped with 9 customizable express keys, an on-screen display, OSD button, and a quick dial function to enhance productivity. It supports dual connection methods for easy setup, compatible with Windows, the 7th of August 10, and Mac OS 10.12 or later, and works seamlessly with popular drawing software like Photoshop and Illustrator. The package includes the pen display, an adjustable stand, an AC adapter, a 2-in-1 cable, and various accessories for optimal use. GAOMON Technology Corporation, the manufacturer, specializes in creating innovative digital input devices and aims to expand its market presence globally. Number 2. UGEE 12 Plus Tablet. The UGEE 12 Plus is a high-performance 11.9-inch pen tablet monitor designed for artists and designers, offering a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels on a full laminated, anti-glare screen. It features advanced specifications including an impressive 8,192 pressure levels, 5080 LPI resolution ratio, and a contrast ratio of 1000:1, ensuring vivid color representation with a 147% sRGB color gamut that effectively supports a wide range of creative tasks, including video editing and graphic design. The monitor is equipped with 8 customizable shortcut keys and a scroll wheel for efficient tool switching, enhancing productivity during the drawing process. Its compatibility with major operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux makes it a versatile choice for various design applications, including Adobe Photoshop and Corel Painter. Designed for an immersive drawing experience, the screen minimizes parallax and reflections, providing precise cursor positioning and clarity from wide viewing angles. Number 3. GAOMON WH851 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for creative professionals and enthusiasts, featuring an 8-inch display with a working area of 203.2 by 127 mm in PC mode and 127 by 63.5 mm in phone mode. It boasts an impressive pressure sensitivity of 16,384 levels, a resolution of 5080 LPI, and a plus or minus 0.3 mm accuracy, ensuring precise and realistic strokes when drawing. The tablet supports Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS, allowing for a seamless and cable-free working experience. It is equipped with a battery-free EMR pen that provides a robust writing experience through a 0.45 mm rebound distance and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality. The WH851 also features a long-lasting 1,300 mAh battery offering up to 18 hours of use, complemented by an ergonomic design that includes 8 customizable press keys and a mechanical dial for enhanced productivity. The package includes various accessories, making it a comprehensive tool for digital artists and designers. Number 4. Parblo Intangbo X7 Tablet. The Parblo Intangbo X7 is an advanced graphic tablet designed for artists and creative professionals seeking a seamless and natural drawing experience. With a compact size of 271mm x 166mm and a lightweight design of just 320G, it offers exceptional portability. The tablet features a battery-free S01 passive pen that boasts 8,192 pressure levels and a plus or minus 60 degrees tilt function, enabling precise strokes that closely mimic traditional pen-on-paper feel. Users can easily switch between 4 preset modes: mobile, tablet, Chromebook, and custom, using an intuitive knob for a hassle-free setup. The Intangbo X7 is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS, and integrates seamlessly with popular creative software like Photoshop and Illustrator. With its elegant design and robust functionality, the Parblo Intangbo X7 is a remarkable tool for enhancing creativity on the go. Number 5. XPPen 4.3-inch Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Deco Mini 7 V2 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for artists, educators, and students alike, featuring an 8-inch diagonal active area with a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI and an impressive 16,384 pressure levels to capture detailed strokes. Built with a slim profile and weighing just 307 grams, its dimensions are 260.2 by 162.2 by 9.3 millimeters. The tablet offers a USB-C interface and includes a battery-free P05D stylus that supports a tilt angle of up to 60 degrees. With 8 customizable shortcut keys, it enhances workflow efficiency, making it an excellent choice for digital art, online education, and design tasks. The Deco Mini 7 V2 is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS, making it suitable for beginners and professionals in creative fields. Additionally, it holds multiple certifications, including CE and FCC, ensuring its reliability and safety.